Hibiscus plants are relatively easy to start from cuttings. Few days back I have shown you guys how to grow cuttings in soil. All cuttings are doing great. They have developed healthy root systems and new growth can be seen easily. Today we will learn how to start hibiscus cuttings in water, which is very simple way to propagate hibiscus. So let us start. Take few semi-hardwood cuttings or semi-ripe cuttings that are not fully matured. Prepare the cuttings by removing all the leaves with skid tear and trim to 4 to 6 inches long. Make a cut at about 45 degrees just below the node. So this is a node. Make a cut just below it at 45 degrees like this. Repeat the same process with all your cuttings. Take the cuttings and the base can be wounded a little to expose the cambium layer 1 to 2 inches on one or two sides. This increases the area from which roots will be produced. So just take a cutting and scratch it a little from the bottom. Repeat the same process with all your cuttings. Take a glass, fill it with water till 2 to 3 inches from the bottom. Here is a secret of mine to root cuttings faster. Mix 2 tablespoons potting mix and half a spoon rooting hormone in the water. Mix it well. Dip all the cuttings in the water. Keep the glass in partial shade for 5 to 6 days. After 3 to 4 days, new roots will start to develop from the wounded part of the cuttings, like this. These all cuttings have grown roots and now they are ready to be transplanted into an individual pot. Take a well-drained pot with drainage hole at the bottom and cover the holes with small stones or gravel and fill it with the potting mix, like this. For potting mix, use 50% normal garden soil plus 30% fine sand and 20% organic compost or vermicompost. Make a hole at the middle of the potting mix with your finger, or you can use any gardening tool for that. Take a cutting and gently place the cutting in the hole. Push the media gently up against the stem to provide support. Water in thoroughly. Keep the pot in partial shade for few days and make sure to keep the potting mix moist all the time. That's all for now guys. Urban Gardener signing off. Take care. Happy gardening.